Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, thinking about sunflowers. We love them or hate them. When they're perfect, they're fabulous. But sometimes they come in a little less than perfect. Maybe they're starting to lose petals. Maybe they're damaged. Rather than just throw it away, salvage. Remove the petals, all of them, till you get down to the base head of the bloom. And then you have an artistic and creative piece that you can add into your designs. Is it as big and bold as a sunflower? No. Is it equally as fabulous? Yes. So now you know how to salvage those less than perfect sunflowers.